If you're tired of taking 5 different supplements every morning just to support your immune system, your skin, and your hormonal cycle, listen up. My wife stumbled across this, and it has honestly streamlined her entire wellness routine. Now let's break down why this specific formula is targeted perfectly for women. Now what sets Bloomeo apart from standard oregano pills is the botanical complex. It's a 5-in-1 synergy. You get the immune punch, oil of oregano. It's standardized to 60% carvacrol. So you know it's potent. Combined with black seed oil for powerful cellular protection. But here is why it's optimized for women. They added evening primrose oil, sea buckthorn, and a hint of ginger. Instead of just an immune supplement, you're getting a built-in support for cycle comfort, natural hormone balance, and skin radiance. If you've ever tried liquid oregano oil drops, you know they taste like straight fire. It's brutal. These vegan plant-based soft gels completely eliminate that. They are smooth, easy to swallow, and incredibly gentle on the stomach. Plus, the packaging arrives fresh and beautifully sealed. Now let's talk about some of the common questions I see about this product. First of all, why does it have a strong oregano smell? And it really does. Ooh. It's because it's the real deal. Bloomeo uses 60% carvacrol extract. So you will smell that pure, rich, herbal aroma when you open the bag. So why choose the soft gels instead of liquid drops? Well, because the liquid drops have a really harsh burning taste. These soft gels give you all the benefits you need without ruining your morning taste buds. Speaking of that, when should you take this? Take your serving daily, which is 2 capsules. The packet has 60-day supply. So ideally you take this in the morning alongside a meal to optimize absorption and prevent any herbal aftertaste. Is it clean and third-party tested? Yes. It's entirely plant-based, vegan, lab-tested, and free of any nasties like GMOs. At the end of the day, Bloomeo put together a premium, thoughtful, botanical blend that actually caters to women's daily wellness instead of a just generic one-size-fits-all formula. It's clean, it's comprehensive, and it completely replaces a handful of separate pills. I highly recommend it. Check it out on Amazon.